1, 2, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, go to the right. And then the next one, move to the right. Now the third one, you turn to the right one time. Continue with the red one, move to the right. Now you can see two white pieces can match together. So this one go to the left and match. Now the next one, move down. Turn the next one to the right. One, two, three, four, five. Turn to the left. So you can match together by moving this one. Now the rest one go up. One, two, three, four. Move to the right. Okay, now we're done